Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Nordstrom credit card, right? It's very easy. You have to just go to your favorite browser here. So I'm into the Google and I will just type your Nordstrom credit card and I will just hit the enter, right? And here you will get this first link which is called nordstromcard.com. This is the official website, of course. I will just click here. Once I click on the link, I will get this two option here, that's sign in. So if you have already account made here, then you have to just enter your username and your password and that's it. But if you are new to this, then you can have to just click on sign up, right? And once I click on the sign up, let me show you. You can just make an account here, which is basically your last name, date of birth, phone number and card digit, which is basically the last four digit of your card. And you have to continue and you will able to make an account. Once you make an account, you have to just go back, right? And here you have to enter your username and password and click on sign in. And that's it, guys. Now your Nordstrom credit card has been, you are using it over your device, right? By the way, you need to activate your card, so you can just click on top right, which is activate my card, and then your will card will get activated once you enter the details, right? This is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.